This quick video will help you to report your curbside bin services in Waste Data Online. You report your curbside bin services in the Domestic Services section of the Local Government Annual Return on page 3. Curbside services are the regular collection of bins from residents' homes. They include FOGO, mixed waste, commingled recycling and green waste bins. Each bin service must be reported separately. Please refer to the approved procedure attached to the CEO notice for local governments for information on how to estimate and calculate the data required to be reported in the annual return, which you'll find at this web address. Kerbside. Enter details about domestic curbside services your local government provides to its residents on this page. If you selected yes to the question, would you like to pre-fill the data from previously lodged annual return, the information required to be entered in the following steps will be pre-populated. You must review all pre-filled data and amend it if any of these services have changed since the previous reporting period. Most local governments provide at least one curbside service, and yes will most likely be pre-selected for the question, did you provide any curbside services? Service details will be shown in the summary table here if you selected the pre-fill function. Review the pre-filled data and add tonnages by selecting the edit here. Note that you will need to input data into all mandatory fields denoted by the red asterisks. Here's some fields that I've already pre-filled. For each service type, you'll be required to enter the frequency of the service, the percentage of households that receive the service, the resident participation rate, container details, for example, type, size, and colour, you'll have the option to enter how the service is provided, whether it's in-house or by a contractor, and the destination facility. All local governments in the Perth metropolitan region and any with an estimated resident population of at least 1,500 are required to enter the tonnes collected and disposed to landfill. The system will calculate the recovered tonnes based on the total collected and total disposed. If you are reporting for a non-metropolitan local government with an estimated resident population of less than 1,500, you'll be asked whether you have the information required to report the amount of waste collected. Select yes if your local government has the information required and enter the tonnes collected and disposed. If your local government does not have the information required, select no, and the amounts will be estimated by us based on the waste services provided to residents and the population of your local government. If you need to add a new curbside service, such as new FOGO or recycling bins, click on Add a Service and follow the previous instructions. Repeat these steps to review and enter data for each curbside bin service provided. Similar steps are followed for entering data for other waste services. Please watch our other videos and read our quick guides for further information. Thank you.